Hey guys, it's Monday, March 30th. Today, all of the things that you need to do can be found on your agenda slide. So the first thing that you need to do is watch the How Does This Work video. You can find that right down here. It's a little under 5 minutes and just goes through the basics of how all of this is going to work on Schoology while we're doing online classes. The second thing that you need to do then is go and watch a summary of Romeo and Juliet, Acts 1 through 4. It's been a while since we've read. I made you a video to watch. You can find it in your Romeo and Juliet folder, and the link is at the very bottom. Um, it's real cringy because I was trying to entertain my kids while also getting you the information that you needed. So I made you a puppet show. Don't judge me too much for it. Once you're done watching that, then you guys can read Act 5, Scenes 1 through 2. Scenes 1 through 2 are short-ish, and if you need a copy of it, there's a link to a copy right down here in your Romeo and Juliet folder. Otherwise, if you have your own book, obviously you can read that. If you ever have any questions or anything that you need answered, you can always email me. Otherwise, if you go to the updates part, you can just type right in here any questions or concerns that you have about any of the assignments, or if you're confused about the end of the play, like let me know what you need. People can also respond to other people on here, so if I don't get your question right away, maybe one of your classmates will. Let me know what questions you have or what you need from me. The biggest thing to be successful during this is to make sure that we're keeping up communication. So let me know what I can do to help you. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy the end of the play.